Wish I could be the one who could give you love, the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you. But baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, but baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I don't need her. I know I don't make you cry. Di ba okay naman kayo kanina? Ba't parang biglang hindi? Hello, ex. I love you. Goodbye. Dito marami bang relate? Meron pa rin tinatawag-tawagan ng ex? Haba ng hair mo ah. Kasi haba ng sa akin. I hope someday you can find somewhere to understand. I love you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my I know this is the kindest thing to do. You'll find someone who'll be the one that I can never be, who'll give you something better than the love you find with me. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a cry. I know I don't need her. I know I don't make you cry. Hello, I love you. Leaving someone when you love someone is the hardest thing to do. When you love someone as much as I love you. Ano daw? Ay, ang ganda ko. Talaga ba? Parang hindi I love you goodbye. No, I don't wanna leave. Baby, it tears me up inside. Yes, Brad. I love you goodbye, Brad. Huwag mo naman binubuko na Brad tayo. But I'll never Hello, Brad. I love you. Tama na, di ba? Konting line na lang eh. Tapusin ko na. Isang line na lang. Favorite line ko pa to. Pagbigyan nyo lang. Favorite line ko talaga to. Sabi niya. Oh, masakit na nga. Paano pa yung susunod? Mas masakit to. Wait lang kayo dyan. Baby, it's never gone. No. Huwag ka na masakit. Hello, ex. I love you. Hello, are you still there? I love you. At least ang dami mong beses nagsabi ng I love you. Sakit ba?